Have you ever logged into your analytics dashboard only to find your website traffic has plummeted overnight? It's like waking up to find your business has vanished from Google's search results. Panic sets in and you start wondering what went wrong. Hi, this is Farhad, and since 2005, I've worked at the intersection of sales, marketing, and human behavior, helping businesses understand what truly drives their customers. Today, I'm going to share the story of how my website disappeared from Google and the shocking reason why. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to avoid the same fate and keep your website healthy, visible, and thriving. Let me set the scene. A few months ago, I noticed a steep drop in my website traffic. At first, I thought it was just a bad week or maybe a seasonal dip, but as the days turned into weeks, the numbers kept falling. That's when I started to investigate. The problem wasn't my content or my keywords, it wasn't even my backlinks. The real culprit was hidden deep in the technical structure of my site. You see, technical SEO issues are like silent killers for your website. They don't just harm your rankings, they can take your site off Google's radar entirely. In my case, I discovered multiple crawl errors, a broken sitemap, and several dead-end links that were sending users and search engines into a black hole. These technical glitches made it difficult for Google to index my site properly, which is why my rankings disappeared almost overnight. So, what's the secret strategy that brought my site back to life? The answer lies in addressing the technical foundation of your website. Think of your site as a house. No matter how beautifully it's decorated, if the foundation has cracks, the whole thing can collapse. That's exactly what was happening to my site. Once I fixed those foundational issues, my rankings began to recover. Here's what I did. First, I started using Google Search Console to monitor my site's health. This free tool from Google is like a window into how search engines view your website. It flagged the crawl errors and showed me exactly where the issues were. I also used tools like Screaming Frog to identify broken links and gaps in my sitemap. These errors were preventing Google's crawlers from properly navigating my site, which explained the sudden drop in visibility. Next, I optimized my website speed and made sure it was fully responsive on mobile devices. Did you know that Google prioritizes mobile-friendly sites? Slow load times and poor responsiveness are major red flags for search engines, so I made sure my site performed seamlessly across all devices. Now let's break it down into actionable tips that you can implement today to safeguard your site from disappearing like mine did. First, make it a habit to monitor your site regularly in Google Search Console. Check for crawl errors, indexing issues, and performance metrics that could signal underlying problems. Second, audit your site for crawlability. Use tools like Screaming Frog or Ahrefs to find broken links, missing sitemaps, and other technical issues that might be hampering your SEO. Third, optimize your website for speed and responsiveness. Tools like Google's Page Speed Insights can help you identify areas for improvement. Finally, make sure your site is mobile-friendly. More users than ever are browsing on their phones, and Google rewards sites that provide a seamless mobile experience. To wrap things up, let me emphasize one crucial point. Your website's technical health is just as important as its content. Ignoring technical SEO can lead to disastrous results, but with regular maintenance and monitoring, you can avoid penalties and keep your site ranking high. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more actionable tips to improve your SEO and grow your business. And I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or questions about technical SEO. Let's start a conversation and keep learning together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.